Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be giving you the complete information about Wishtel Duo tablet PC. So please watch the full video. So let's talk about its features. It has a 10.1-inch capacitive display, 2 GHz octa-core processor, HD display, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 8000 mAh battery, Android 11 operating system, 4G network with Wi-Fi, 8 megapixel back camera with flash, 5 megapixel front camera, and it has Bluetooth connectivity and also you can put two SIMs in it, and it has a built-in mic. You can order this tablet from Amazon, from Flipkart or from Tata Click. I ordered this from Tata Click. The price of this tablet is 16,899 rupees. If you want to watch the unboxing video of it, click on the link given in description box. So now I am going to talk about my experience. So basically I purchased this for my online classes, and truly I would say this is perfect for students who can attend online classes in it. I also edit my videos in this tablet only. I play games also, and its display is also good. I do my projects and assignments in it. I make PPTs too. But I face one problem, which is its battery. When the tablet is not in use, the battery is reducing. This problem was not in the starting. I'm facing this problem nowadays after 2-3 months. But overall this is perfect and I really like this. Its memory is good, everything is fine. I recommend you too to buy this tablet. If you are a student, you want to attend online classes in it, you can attend. This is perfect for students. I received so many comments regarding this tablet in my unboxing video, so I'm going to reply. So the first comment is Samrat A to Z. Price. So its price is 16,899. I ordered from Tata Click. Next is also price. So price is 16,899. Next, giveaway. Giveaway. I can't do giveaways now as I am a small YouTuber now. If my channel grows, I will think on it. Next is battery. So battery is good. The only thing is when it is not in use, its battery is reducing too much. But overall it's fine. Okay. Next is, can I know how to buy it, please? Yes, you can order it online from Tata Click. Next is, why its brightness is low. Actually its brightness is not low. Maybe in the video it's looking low, but it's good. Next is it good for mock test, and is there any lag problem during online classes? Yes, this is good for mock tests and online classes, and I don't feel any lag during online classes. It works very perfectly. From where did you order it? Is it working properly? Yes, I ordered from Tata Click and it is working perfectly. Next is, will this support stylus pen? I'm not sure about it. Maybe this will support stylus pen. If I will buy a stylus pen, I will make a video on it. But if you want to make your own stylus pen, please watch my video The link is in the description box. Next is from where you purchased it and how is it working. I purchased it from Tata Click and it is working very nicely. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video.